this is in your packet. It's to the multiplying page. We're not going to do all the examples in there. Hunter found it. It's like smack dab in the middle, pretty much. Okay, it says page 3. It looks just like this. Okay? But Atish, you'll notice in my period 2, they don't do that. Okay? All right. So, when we multiply, you've already been multiplying radicals. The difference is you've been breaking them apart and then multiplying stuff back together. So we're going to continue to do that with these. Okay? So in this one here, I want you to break down your radicals to see if you can cube root anything. Can you guys do that for me? Give me some factors.
I'll give you some factors. That's not appropriate. Hey, did you finish your test? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
A lot.
Oh. Okay. I need some factors. Okay, factors of 20 that we might want to use. Can you show me with your hands? What's a pair of factors we could use? Yep. Okay, I saw every single student show me the exact same thing. 4 times 5. Okay? Other ones that you might have used would have been 2 and 10, or 1 and 20. Okay? All right, can I cube root any of those? No. Okay, I want you to think now, what are factors of 16? Okay, so I want you to think about them, and I want you to either write them down or give me hand signals. Oh, nice. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm seeing it. Good. Okay, so I saw one person do that, and I saw a lot of people do this, and I thought it was really clever. You did this, and then you flashed that.
Hey, that was me.
So you went this, and then you flashed that. I like that. Okay, I like it a lot. So 2 and 8. Okay, so I want to know which pair you're going to use. The pair with the 4 or the pair with the 2. Can you guys show me with your hand signal? Are you using the pair with the 4 or the pair with the 2?
Pour a 4 up a Cody.
I don't understand that, but I understand you. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. I agree with most of you said to use this pair here. We're going to pick this pair because I can cube root one of those numbers.
But
Which one can we cube root?
Why can't you do both 4s 2 by 2?
I cannot cube root a 2.
Oh, what? I'm confused now. What can you do 3 times that will equal 8?
2.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay. So, but I like the hand signals. Hand signals are better because when we shout it out, it's 2. The student that takes a few seconds longer, even a split second longer, stops thinking the moment you give the answer. So let them think. It's respectful to let your peers think. Okay. So, I can cube root that. I cannot cube root any of the others. But there is a pair I could put back together that I could then cube root. Okay? Use your hand signals. What pair can I put back together so I can cube root? Yes.
For what number?
Yes. This number still, I have 3 factors. Which 2 can I put back together? Yes. Yes. Good. So if I take these 2 and I put them back together, I can cube root 4 times 2 is 8.
Okay.
Okay, but I couldn't cube root the 5, so I gotta leave that one in there. What is cube root of 8? Show me with your hand signals again. Good. Good. So I have 2 times 2. And now all I would do is I like to multiply these 2 together, and I like to put them in the front so it does not look like 52.2 inside the radical. Okay? So I'm going to put that down there. What is 2 times 2? 4. So my final answer is that. Now, number 2 has a problem. Okay? Number 2 has a problem. I want you to look at number 2. and silently think to yourself, what might the problem be?
What is Q?
Okay.
Disrespect.
Now I want to ask you guys a question because it created something in my mind when someone said Q. Okay. What is the index of my two radicals? Show me with two hands. I want to see what you think the two indexes are of our radicals. Yep. Okay, so the invisible one is an index of 2. If the indexes are not the same, you cannot multiply them. Okay? So this is the answer. Nope. Okay, and I'm going to write that down. Can't multiply because the index is not the same for both. Okay? So with that information, you can do the problems that I assigned on worksheet 2. These are meant to be super fast. Okay? Worksheet 3, I want to show you guys that now. Can I show you guys that? We're just doing the very, very basics, okay? Okay. Can I erase this? It's on my Instagram. I photographed it in my last class. Okay. Here's my next one. Now, I do show in my video how to do ones like these that get a little bit more complicated, but it's basically the same. I think you guys can figure them out. And we'll review those harder ones next time. Okay, these are the examples in your notes. These are not basic, so I want to go easier. I want to go to number 1. Okay? So, we're going to do these 2 basic ones. They're not in your notes packet. You could write them down in the empty space. You have to flip the pages towards the end of the packet. Okay? Okay. Jared. Okay. I'm going to put down a very similar problem on the board, something you did in junior high. Maybe even 6th grade. I don't know if it was 6th grade, but definitely 7th grade. I'm going to write down, and I want you guys to tell me what the answer is. Don't say it out loud, but write it down somewhere discreetly, and so I can see. What is that? X plus 7x. What's that? Oh, it's not even in there. Yeah, so just do it in one of the empty spaces. Yeah, that's fine. I get full credit for that. Number 2. But you can't subtract, get rid of the radical. So it would be 1 cube root. Yes. Okay. So I gave you too much time. What is this answer? 8x. This is the exact same thought process. If I have a root 10 in both terms of my sum, they are like terms, and I add the coefficients. So there's an invisible 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 root 10. Okay? Let me give you another one that's super basic. What if I give you, and I'll call this one number 3, okay? What if I give you 2 cube root of 5 minus 8 cube root of 5? What do you think the answer is going to be? 6. Write it down on a whiteboard. It's not in the notes. I made it easier. But tell me the answer, Ollie. We still have 6 minutes.
What? This on
Oh, you're right. It's the wrong day, huh?
I never know.
Okay, so what's the answer though?
6.
-6 cube root of 5. Okay? This one requires a little simplifying.